We'll go test the winds a little bit, see how windy they are. I didn't want to be trying to fly with that pack raft and getting drug all over the beach. Gonna be a little bit gusty too. We got winds coming off the beach. Feels good. That's tight. Let's see if we can crank it up from here. Oh yeah. Gusting to 15 earlier when I first got here and laid this out. Good, but with this little single surface wing, no way to trim it out. So you're kind of stuck with what you got. Go grab this other riser. Oh. All right, we got a tangle there. I don't know that I can shake that out. All right, let's bring that back down. No, that is too tangled to get out. I'm gonna go ahead and kill it. We'll bring it down. I don't know, maybe. Let's see. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. For sure. Oh, shit. Those dunes. So right now, I'm gonna pull my brakes. We'll get this sorted out. Super windy. But I think we've shaken it loose. Hang on. Let's see. Nope. Close. There we go. All right. With that down like that, I'm going to try to crank. Hang on. Let me try it like this. All right, let's try this again. Let's see if we can go this way. Oh yeah, windy today. That was a battle. Foot drag. Let's go down here and let the weight turbulence get away from us. Weight turbulence again. Boy, I hit a hard one there. It's such a slow foot drag. Yeah, I'm hardly going anywhere. I think the winds have actually picked up. I believe I'm going even slower than before. Yeah, it's a little harder to do off of my car. But there, that thing's so thin. And if I mess up, there's less to be drunk across. Fuck. This fucking sport's too much fun. So right there, I can't tell. No, it still feels like it's pretty high. I'm gonna hit a bump. I know it. I can feel it. I can feel I'm gonna go back through my wake turbulence. I had to put a little brake pressure on there just in case, just to feel, so I could keep it from having to forward. Come in low and then come over it and touch it and run off of it. I think I'll foot drag up to it. That way if I fall, I'll be falling near my phone, I guess. I think that's good enough for me. I think I'm gonna land it and call it a day. I think I'll land just behind my car, trying to walk my wing into place and see if it'll stay on the ground. So I'm going to use my wing kind of to block the wind once I land it, keep it in place, and then I'll run up and grab the edge of the wingtip. Once I have that, I'm pretty safe. Get down here. Let's land it. Let's see if we can walk it first. I don't even know if I can walk it over there. Damn, I had to use the motor to kind of push me forward a little bit. All right, let's see if we can bring it up to the car this way and use it as, kind of use the wind shadow of the car. Because that'll be way easier than trying to fight with it. I don't really have the car angled the right way, I don't think, because it's going to fall back. Let's see if we can grab the wingtip. Oh, nope. That's what I was afraid of. All right, oh well. All right, there's our wind. Let's whip it back around and see if we can get it to collapse in here. Maybe. All right, good. Now, I'm going to grab a wingtip. I'm safe for now. Cool. Alright, we'll fix the brake toggle before we go too far and get stuff tangled up. Man, I need to get a wing that has a good set of trimmers in it so that when the winds are high, I don't have to fight with it so much. This thing wants to launch so easily that it's just a menace sometimes on the ground because it doesn't want to stay on the ground. That's super nice when you want to fly. Not so great when you don't want to fly.